Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video here, we're going to take a look at how we can share models and datasets into Ultralytics HUB. So in the previous videos, we've pretty much covered every single aspect of the Ultralytics HUB. So how we can take a dataset, choose different types of models, train them directly in there. So pretty much how we can set up a whole computer vision training pipeline with just a few clicks. In this video, we're going to see how we can share models and datasets with your team members, and then you can collaborate on projects together. So we're just jump straight into the Ultralytics documentation. If we go up here at the top, we can go inside the hub. Inside the hub, we can see all the different aspects. We have pretty much covered all of it in the video, so definitely check those out here on the channel. If we scroll a bit further down, we can then see we have our datasets and also our models, which we can connect directly. We can share them, use them, and then we can collaborate with other team members inside the Ultralytics HUB. So right now we can see here that we have this Ultralytics HUB dataset. You can upload a dataset. We already have videos covering that. You just need to have your data in a specific format, throw it into the Ultralytics HUB, choose a model, train it. You will see all the training graphs live and so on. So that is pretty cool. Definitely check that one out. If you scroll a bit further down, you can see all the guides here going over each individual step. But if we scroll a bit further down, we can then see how to save a model and also share our data set. So we can share all of it in here, just as you're doing with a Google Drive link, or if you're creating a docs, sheets and so on. You just go to the top right corner, choose share, copy the link, and then you can share with other people. You can do the exact same thing with the models as well. You can go in and check it out. Again, we have a video for it. Exact same thing, you can follow it step by step. So let's just jump straight into the Ultralytics HUB website and take a look at how we can do it. Right now we have a bunch of data sets. We have the projects, models, integrations, and so on. So if you want to annotate your images, we have integrations with RoboFlow and so on. So right now it's going to take an object detection data set. Let me just scroll a bit further down. We have this pretty cool car parts model, which can detect different types of parts on the car. This is really useful in a ton of different applications. So right now we can just go up here directly with the three dots, share it, edit, and also delete it. Let's just go inside of it. We can see these thumbnails with all the annotations. So we have like back glass, back door, front bumper, and so on. We have all the individual annotations. We can get a high level overview with the class distribution and so on. We can train a model directly in here, choose one and train it, but we can also share it directly here. We will just get a link. You can also specify the access. So if it is unlisted, anyone with the link can view. So this is the exact same thing as you're going to share something on your Google Drive. You can see the owner, you can copy the link directly, share with other people, and they can work on the exact same data sets, model, and so on. They will be able to access all of it in here, make changes and so on. As you can see, anyone with the link can view, and you can also make it private, so only people with access can view it. So this is pretty cool, works just as Google Drive. Copy paste the link, throw it to your colleagues and team members, and they can work together with you. So we can also go inside our models tab. I can just take an arbitrary one. So we have like a track model. We also have our wildlife model, which we created a previous video on. We have the three dots at the top right corner. We can hit share. There we go. We get the exact same links. People with access, we can choose which one have access, and also the general access. We can make it unlisted, copy paste our link, save it, and then we can send it to someone else. So this is pretty cool and connects the whole loop with all the elements that we have inside the Ultralytics HUB. We can have dataset, collaborate with each other on the datasets, choose a model that we can train on. We can even set the specific hyperparameters in here. We can choose to train it on a Google Colab notebook. We can also train it on the Ultralytics cloud GPUs. With just a few clicks, we can have a whole custom ULV8, ULV5 object detection model, instant segmentation model, post estimation model up and running in just a few minutes. So definitely go in and check this one out here. Use it together with your colleagues and team members, and then I'll just see you guys in one of the upcoming videos. Until then, happy learning.